operating in and register with the relevant agencies. So the first type of business entity is a sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship is a business that you operate alone. Hi there, welcome. My name is Mubashir Salahudeen. So today we're going to be discussing 8 steps on how to start a business that will succeed. So last time we discussed on how to structure a good business. Then it hits me that some people might truly not know how to start a business, not to talk of structuring a business. Trust me, starting a business comes with its own challenges. Sometimes it can be difficult to the extent that it requires sleepless nights, capital, like lots of capital, dedication, and hard work. But if you have a guide on how to go about setting up your business, then this process would be easy for you. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive straight into the easy 8 steps that I have developed for you. So the first step is having a business plan. Having a business plan has to be the first step. If not, your idea will just be a mere dream. You need to write down whatever you want your business to be doing and how you are going to be carrying out the operation of your business in order to have a significant advantage once you start running your business. A business plan doesn't have to be a bulky book. It doesn't have to be a bulky book, but it should be a book that has a few pages containing the outline of what your business is all about, what your business would be about, such as, let's say, the objective of your business, the strategy you're going to employ in your business, the finance required in your business, the sales and marketing plan in your business, and the capital you're going to need to start your business. The next step is to choose the kind of business entity you're going to be operating in and register with the relevant agencies. So the first type of business entity is a sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship is a business that you operate alone. It's being run by you and you alone. You have the power to run everything yourself. While the second type of business entity is the limited liability company. This can be a partnership between you and someone, and you can be the only one running it. But this gives you some kind of legal protection that you won't get from running a sole proprietorship business. In limited liability company, you are a separate entity on your own, while your business is also a separate entity on its own. Unlike the sole proprietorship business, you and the business are the same. You and the business are the same entity. So the third type of business entity here is corporation. Corporation is a type of business that you as the business owner go out to pitch to investors and get them to invest in your business. Remember that if you don't register your business, you are going to miss out on some benefits such as personal liability protection, tax benefits, and legal benefits. So the third step is you need to reach an alignment with your co-founder. That's if you have one. It is important for you to reach an alignment with your co-founder in the sense that your intention or your interest or what you are anticipating, expecting from the business will be different from what your co-founder is expecting. But if you guys reach an alignment on how the business should be run and what you guys are expecting from it, then there won't be conflict of interest when you start running your business. The fourth step is you need to make a decision on your startup capital. This is very, very important. Trust me, it is important in the sense that if you did not make a decision on how to get your startup capital, you might find out that you're just wasting time and resources. And getting your startup capital can either be through savings or loan from financial institutions or getting an investor. See, these 3 steps that I've mentioned are not that easy. Ways of getting your startup capital are not that easy, because trust me, you know that it is not easy to save enough money to start your business. It is not easy, trust me. And banks don't really like giving loan to startup businesses because they are afraid of you losing the money, thereby they lose their money income, and it is hard to convince investors. So you have to be serious about this very particular step, which is the first step. So the next step, which is the 5th step, is get an address for your business, both physical address and online address. This is important in the sense that you need a place to be carrying out your business activities, and you also need a place where your customer, your clients can be meeting up with you for your service and your products at the same time. The sixth step is you need to prioritize your sales and marketing. Remember, you can have the best product in the world, but if nobody is buying from you and nobody know about you, then your business won't succeed. So you need to get someone good at marketing to handle your business marketing for you. You have to get your product out there and ensure you get sales from your product. The next step, which is the seventh step, is you need to build a tribe of customers. Getting customers to buy from you is one thing. Getting them to keep coming back is another thing entirely. Getting them to be satisfied and referring people to you is another thing entirely, and that is what you should be working towards. See, customers are the backbone of your business. They deserve to be treated with respect, and you need to treat them with that. Make sure you attend to their complaint as at when they, so that they will be satisfied to the extent that they will feel okay inviting people, referring people to you. That means you keep getting money from them, and they refer their people to you to keep getting money from them as well. The eighth step is, that's the last step, is consider the use of some online tools to scale up your business. You need to think about using some online tools. Let's say, for example, you don't have a website, consider the use of it. If you know you don't have a Facebook page, consider the use of it. If you know you don't have email automation service, you don't use it, consider using it in order to ensure you scale your business. You don't have to be online, you don't have to be there for some things to be carried out. You don't have your product on automation. Let's say if you sell physical products, you should have them on an e-commerce platform, so that when somebody wants to buy, they can easily go there, click on your product, pay money, and they will have it delivered to them without you being there at the moment. So let's take a quick recap. So the first step is having a business plan. The second step is choose the kind of entity you want to operate in and register with the relevant agencies. The third step is you need to reach an alignment with your co-founder, that's if you have one. The fourth step is you need to make a decision on your startup capital. The fifth step is get an address for your business, both physical and online. The sixth step is you need to prioritize your sales and marketing. The seventh step is you need to build a tribe of customers. Eighth step, which is the last step, is consider the use of online tools to scale up your business. Launching your startup business will be perfect, and you need to prepare for unforeseen circumstances. With proper plan and execution, you will succeed in your business. And any obstacle that you come across, you always have a way of overcoming them. So thank you for watching today's video. Bye and see you next time. Peace out.